To add the Medium URL with icon on desktop and taskbar using Google Chrome, open the website URL in browser address bar. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. Go to Cast, Save and Share. Here you can either install the page as an app or simply select the Create Shortcut button. You will have the option to name the shortcut. A shortcut will be created on your desktop while opening its folder in File Explorer. Close the browser window to view the shortcut on desktop screen. To pin the shortcut to your taskbar, right-click on it. In Windows 10 you'll see the Pin to Taskbar option directly. If you're using Windows 11, select Show More Options first, and then click on Pin to Taskbar. The procedure is exactly same in other Chromium browsers like Brave. Discover dozro.com for free courses on graphic design, video editing, browser tips, computer tricks, and website creation. You'll also find an impressive range of products, most priced under $20. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Thank you for watching.